All right, hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Bob Does Reviews. We have a fun video in store today. As you saw in my last video where I was testing the Sigmund measuring tool, you got to see how dirty my shed is outside. In addition to that, I have a white house. It's dirty, it has mildew and residual stuff on it from the trees. Also put on a new deck to the house last year, and it's time for me to pressure wash that before I put a stain on it. So underneath me is a Ryobi pressure washer, and let's unbox this and see what Ryobi has in store for us. Stay tuned. All right, gentlemen, taking a knee here for you guys. Hopefully everyone can see this pretty well. Underneath me here is Ryobi's 2900 2.5 gallons per minute gas-powered pressure washer. I wish I could speak more to that Ryobi lineup. I'm honestly not really a big Ryobi guy. I'm DeWalt, Milwaukee, and like I said in previous videos, for no reason. I'm not a contractor, just a professional homeowner, but I believe in the saying, buy once, cry once, and I just really like Milwaukee and DeWalt. So I don't hate Ryobi, I just don't know anything about them, but this is my first Ryobi product, so let's unbox it and see what we have. I'm always interested to see how they pack things. Nobody will beat Apple in an unboxing experience. Apple is the key with packaging. Just a fun fact, not to get off on a tangent, but their engineering team for Apple's packaging, you know, when you open up your lid for your new iPhone or MacBook or iPad, it takes time to lift that lid up, and that's on purpose. They want to build up the suspense, so when you lift it up, it creates a precise amount of suction just to give that little bit of anticipation. So that's pretty cool. Don't want to tear this box up too bad just in case it doesn't work, but here we have a wand. It's fine. I did have a pressure washer about 20 years ago, Craftsman Professional, gas-powered, from Sears with the Italian pump. It was overkill for me. I was doing more harm than good with that. There's still scribing on my house on my aluminum siding from that pressure washer. It was just too much for me at the time. It's a nice wand. That's longer than I remember. I'm almost 6 foot, and that's almost an arm length. So that's nice. Brass fittings. I guess that's pretty much standard on any pressure washer. Nice handle, cushion, ergonomically friendly. Got to put that together. That's great. I moved my garbage can. What have we here? Oh, nice, easy start instruction manual. We won't need that. We'll throw that to the side. We don't need those stinking directions. More cardboard. All right, sorry about that, gentlemen. Now I know why professional YouTubers don't use their iPhone and they have a dedicated camera. If you get a phone call, it stops your video. But thanks for sticking with me. We have the hose. Oh, that's a long hose. I believe it's about 50 feet, I read online. That should be good. Ow, I just cut myself. Ow! I don't know what that was. Yeah, right here. Sharp, very sharp piece of plastic. It's your accessory tray. Gives you a nice little quick start guide as well with a nice little bungee cord, so that's pretty handy. I'm sure I'll never use that. Oh, do we have a bleeder? We have 4-cycle small engine lube, so this does not come with oil. Obviously, most of them don't because it'll spill out in shipping and make a mess. And we have our accessory pack, the siphon hose for the detergent, and your nozzles too. So looks like everything's in here. Not much assembly besides for the handle. Not very heavy. All right, pretty straightforward. No tools even needed, just some little clips on here. I guess that goes that way. Should pop right on. That'll be nice for storage in the winter. Even though I have a pretty decent shop, it's still nice to compact things down. Okay, do we need screws for you or not? This baby pops right onto here. We probably need some. Now we need some screws, huh? Uh-oh. California man might not be able to do this. I don't think California man has a screwdriver. Yeah, a couple bolts. I don't know. Might be too much for some people. So, let's get these on. All right, gentlemen, that was pretty easy and straightforward. Really not much to do. Just put on this crossbar here for the handle and this plastic guy. Just need a 10 millimeter wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. I think California man has that, right? Whoa! Is this supposed to be satisfying? Not the most satisfying footage, huh? I'm spilling gas all over. I'm not going to fill this up all the way for now. And side note, I hate these jerry cans. I bought it, I thought it would be cool. All I do is just spill everything all over. What did I spill? About $20 worth of gas? This funnel ain't gonna work too well, but let's try to make it work. Nope. Plan B. This ain't overkill or anything, is it? All but 2 ounces. Hey, look, I'm not making a mess. Wow. Perfect. Okay, we got a couple connectors here. This is for your hose in, and this is for your wand out. So let's hook it up, see how she works. Fuel open, start. Let's see how many pulls it takes. I gotta turn the water on first. Okay, water is on. I don't see any leaks. Engine switch is on. Fuel is on. Choke is on start. Should be good to go. Let's see how many pulls. All right, gentlemen, so what did we learn? Works great. Just a quick 5-minute demonstration, if that. No solution, no bleach, no cleaner. This looks like it did brand new 5 years ago. Never painted it, never power washed it before. That was 5 years of grime built up on here. So if it can clean that, I'm confident it can do everything I want around the house. Am I a contractor? No. Am I going to be using this every day for 8 hours a day? No. But just for a couple hours a month, maybe I'll use it. This is fantastic. This is all you need. So this gets my thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Did I mention I hate these jerry cans? Come on.